Everybody's asked us for so long to build the ultimate F87 M2 competition exhaust, and right now, boys and girls, it's time. This setup adds such a unique, exotic flair to this car. This car now sounds so good. Combined with the FREEFLOW bypass pipes, it's really aggressive. You get tons of pops and cracks if you're in the Sport Plus mode. Listen to the pops, ready? Of course, with efficient mode on, you can turn those off. And all you get is raw sound. Such an enjoyable sound experience. The sound is very, very pure with this setup. There's a lot of other M2 competition exhausts out there. None of them sound as fruitful as this. It's such a great little car too, and you gotta combine this great looking body style. The proportions look so good, but you gotta have the best exhaust if you're gonna have M2 competition. We know this setup is very expensive. It's not cheap. And if you bought the M2 competition, this F87 generation, because it is your dream car and it's such an awesome little car, don't ever compromise when it comes to choosing the absolute best exhaust solution. We offer this in stainless or titanium. Head over to our website to get yourself set up, because there really is nothing else quite like it. One of the fun things about the Valvetronic design system is you can operate the exhaust valves via the app Bimmerlink. So you can open and close them with your phone, which is really cool. Somebody walk in, close the valves. Open the back up. At Valvetronic, we're not really fans of the burble tune, but in this video, we're showcasing that you definitely can do both. With the right tune from people like DME or MHD or other partners out there that we work with, you can get the car to shoot some nasty flames, but this car all stock, without a tune, doing this is so fun.